Welcome to your inside look for our hip circle community. So this month we're going to be finding our strengths, and I'm going to give you a couple of options to try with. This is for you to do homework, and I want you to master. I'm going to give you two versions, one combo without turns and the same combo with lots of turns. So just choose one of them, and please be prepared to master that one when you show up on December 5th. I want to give you different options to try because you might be a really good turner, so that might be your strength. You might be more of a juicy hip person, and that's your strength. So I want you to find and discover what that feels like in your body. And also, as a bonus challenge, try the other version that is a little outside your comfort zone, just so you can try them both. But learning on Zoom has challenges, dancing at home, maybe you're on carpet, maybe turns aren't really working out for you there. So I'm gonna give you two versions. Let's get into the classroom and do version one without the turns. All right, so our first version without the turns, we're gonna do a chasse to the right. We go right, rock back, left, right. Hip circle to the left, step left arabesque, and then really get like a twist and a turn. It's a moment to be juicy. Twist, cross, back, camel back, and sway, sway, camel back. So I do a weight change there, and I just do a nice little undulation as I come back and front. Let's go from the top again. Chasse, weight is on the left, heading to the right. Right, left, right, left, right. Hip circle to the left. Arabesque, add that lean and a twist. Lean and reach. Add the little hip if you want. Cross, back, here. Rock back, weight on the right. Sway, sway, rock back again. Just change the weight. Add that little bit of an undulation, starting with your pecs and your diaphragm. Ha. And then we're gonna hip circle again. Cross up, left, right, back, and go. So that's just a 7, 8. Okay, so you want to get a quick transition there. Let's take it from the top again with counts. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up and cross and back and side, side, back. Hip circle, up and cross and back and go. You want to end with your weight on the left as you take that step. So we're ready for the next transition. Let's put this version without the turns with music. Let's try this combo with turns, and I mean some turbo turns as well. They're gonna get fast. Okay, here we go. Chasse on the right. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4. We're gonna turn to the left, arabesque left, cross right, left, right foot comes back, turn to the right. Here, from the top again. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, lift, 7, 8. Cross and right turn, sway, sway, rock, back, turn to the right, arabesque, cross and cross back left, turn to the left. And keep your weight on the left at the end of that turn. All right, let's take it again with counts. Here we go, chasse right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, up, 7, 8, cross right, left, turn to the right, sway, sway, rock, back, turn right, left, arabesque, cross and left, turn. Weight ends on the left. Okay, that was fun. Let's put that together with some music. Hush,